This Carrier Comfort Series just turned on. And there's a Root Achiever. 2013, 2.5 ton. 1993, 2.5 ton. Love Roots. This thing literally just now kicked on before I hit record. Wish I would have hit that a little bit faster so we would have got the start up. Alright, refilming these units. There's a couple more over here, make this quick. Call these quick. There's a newer Carrier Comfort. 2016, 1.5 ton. 2 ton from 2000. Right. Onyx Elite right here in the day and night. 1996, 2.5 ton. Onyx Elite running. 2.5 ton from 2001. That is cold and sweaty. Alright, I wanna ruin these spiders' lives and film these. I've never filmed these up close before. Goodman and Timstar Villager. No, that's an ICP. I can't get down to that. And here's this ICP. 1995, 2 ton. Oh, now I can get to the Goodman. 2 ton from 2001. Alright, I actually finally get to film those. That was loud. I stepped on like a stick or something. Right. Spiderwebs, even more of them. There's a Pain. 2016, 2 ton. There's a Bryant. (2010) 1.5 ton, and here's a Timstar Villager series. Someone's listening to rap music, I think. Alright, 2 ton from 1997. I apologize if I don't get every single unit here. But here's the twins. The Rude and the Ream. So this one I believe is the Rude. 1985, 2 ton. Yep, Rude. And this one's the Ream. 1985, 2 ton. Ream. Redeem my Ream. Rude my dude. Alright, there's a Weather King right there. But, let's get these first. There's a Lennox Merit. 2014, 2 ton. 1990, no, 90, I think it's 2002. 2 ton. That's the old data sheet. Here's a Weather King right here. Let's kick down all these spider webs. 2018, 2 ton. Here's another Lennox Merit. 2 ton from 2014. And there's my beauty, Carrier Spam Can. And the Guardian. This thing is so quiet when it runs. 2008, 1.5 ton. And the Spam Can. $1984. And it's either a 2 or a 2.5 ton. But I can't read the model anymore, unfortunately. Alright, now the last two. Or not, last four, I mean. Here's a Bryant. The newer one that I filmed. 2019, 2-ton. And here's the Armstrong Air. 2006, 2.5-ton. And the final two, to end this video off, is one more Armstrong Air with 3 blades. 2008, 2.5-ton, and a Goodman heat pump. (2013) 2-ton. I noticed a lot of these Goodmans are from 2013. Alright, thanks for watching.